Listen up, you Muppets. It's apple time. You lot think healthy eating is a punishment, yeah? Something miserable? Something bland? Well, I'm here to tell you, you've been served another load of rubbish. We're talking about apples. You hear me? Not some poncy, overcomplicated dish, but a simple, honest-to-goodness fruit that's been putting chefs like me in business for centuries. Apples are versatile, they're bloody delicious, and they're packed with more goodness than a Michelin-starred pantry. We're talking vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, the lot. So if you want to improve your health, lose weight, and feel bloody brilliant, you better listen up. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly why an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And I'm going to share 5 recipes that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with that processed junk in the first place. Get ready to upgrade your diet because we're about to get cooking.
Let's talk vitamins, yeah? Apples are packed with them. Vitamin C for your immune system, vitamin K for your blood, and a good dose of B vitamins to keep your energy levels from going totally bonkers. Then there's the fiber, crucial for a healthy gut. You want to be regular, don't you? Don't want to be bloated and sluggish like you just ate an entire trifle in one sitting. Apples help with that. And don't even get me started on antioxidants. These little warriors fight off those nasty free radicals that age you faster than a pan of overcooked scallops. Trust me, you want them on your side.
Listen, I'm not saying an apple is a magic wand for weight loss, but it's a bloody good place to start. High in fiber, low in calories, it fills you up without packing you out. That fiber also works wonders for your gut. It keeps things moving, if you catch my drift. No more constipation, no more feeling like a beached whale. Just smooth sailing, thanks to the humble apple. And it's not just the fiber. Apples contain pectin, a natural prebiotic that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Happy gut, happy life, I always say.
Chapter 3. Fighting the Big C's apples as disease fighters. We're talking serious stuff now, you lot. Heart disease, diabetes, even some cancers. Scary stuff, right? But apples, with their arsenal of antioxidants and fiber, can help. The antioxidants in apples help lower cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart disease. They stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping diabetes at bay. And some studies even suggest they can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. Now, I'm not saying ditch your medication and eat apples all day, but incorporating them into a healthy diet, that's a recipe for success.
Chapter 4. Mirror, mirror apples for youthful skin. Want that youthful glow? Forget expensive creams, just eat an apple. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? They're like a spa day for your skin. They protect your skin from sun damage, which is a major cause of wrinkles. They fight off free radicals that break down collagen, keeping your skin plump and elastic. And it's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling it too. A healthy diet, rich in fruits like apples, gives you that inner radiance that no amount of makeup can replicate.
Chapter 5. Sharp as attack apples for brain power. Forget those brain training games. You want a real mental boost? Grab an apple. They're packed with quercetin, an antioxidant that protects your brain cells from damage. Low levels of acetylcholine are linked to memory loss. Guess what helps your body produce more acetylcholine? You guessed it, apples. So eat up if you want to remember where you put your car keys. And don't forget about the overall benefits of a healthy diet. A nourished brain is a happy brain, and apples are a delicious way to feed your mind.
There you have it, you lot. Proof that the humble apple is a culinary godsend. So no more excuses, yeah? Get down to the market, grab yourself a bag of these beauties, and start incorporating them into your diet. And because I'm feeling generous, I'm going to share 5 of my favorite apple recipes. We're talking apple crumble with a twist, apple salsa that will blow your mind, and a whole lot more. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out, and until next time, keep cooking like your life depends on it, because frankly, it does.
Don't be a lazy sod, get cooking!